Good morning to everybody. So nowadays everybody wants to earn money by doing what? Simple work. From class 10, you can earn easily money a lot if you will develop certain skills. These skills will be developed if you will add art in the science and technology. We know it, the scientific skills like identifying, describing, observing, technological skill, that also you have certain ideas related with what, creating and all. But not only process is important, but the product is more important than process. Because to earn money, everybody will purchase the product. Okay, and mostly the customer, what they feel, those product which will be attractive for them, right? They will what? Purchase that product. Okay. So here you will find, today we shall learn approach to for connection of what, series and parallel. Many one of you know the theory part, scientific process, how what happens in series, what happens in parallel, right? But for designing purpose, okay, to make it attractive, we need certain art skill also. Connection is not important in the circuit. Important is what? Its aesthetic value also. Its beautification. Because if you have certain color codes in the circuit now, then for maintaining, to repair, it will be then easy, right? So let us learn the series and parallel combination with the help of what? Certain art skills. Okay. So already we have you know it, the process. So shortly, in short, I will explain how art can be added in the science and technology. Right. So our topic is what? Series and parallel. Parallel combination. Alright. So here you will find in series equal current flows. Yes or no? That we know it. Or all concepts related with series and parallel, that we know it. But how we can add the art? That means here we should design, one circuit using the certain toys that will also help you to think in different style, in different way, right? And also you will learn in a very joyful approach. Okay, so here we have what? Speaker, buzzer, you know it. You are using that because we are what feeling comfortable. If sound comes and if light glows, then we feel there may be certain current or some. That is why we brought what? Buzzers, electrical buzzers. Okay. So in order to connect this electrical buzzers, it appears like this. This is one buzzer and this is what? Another buzzer. Electrical buzzer. Right? So suppose you want to connect it what? In series. How will you connect? So that connection part also you know it. But how? What is the most important thing is what? One wire we shall use what? Black color. Another we shall use what? Red color. Without black or red, if you will connect using a simple wire, then also it will work, no problem. But with the color, your designing part, your beautification will be more. And even during repair, it will also help. Right now. So color is needed. Here also red and Alright. So now in series connection, you know it how we should how we are what learning and means connecting. There are what one resistor R1 and this is the another resistor what R2. There is no red color, black color. This is simply the signs, but this is the art. Alright, you will feel when you will add art in science, okay, then you will feel you can understand the concept more clear than what's written in the science. Alright, so connection you know it simply the terminal 1, terminal 2, if the last end is connected with the first end, then we say it is what in series. That we know. This is the science process. Okay, but in using this color code, if you will do it now, then how will you do it? You tell me whether it is series or parallel. You just tell me. Who will tell? Who will tell? Series. How? How you can say? Yes. Even if by seeing the color itself, you can what? Find. Right now. So that is the what meaning of addition of this R. Easily you with the help of color coding itself you can say it is in series or parallel. If all red color will be what connected at one place like this. Red and this is set for what? Blue. Then it is what? Which connection? It is parallel connection. So color makes the concept of science more complete. Right? That is the art learning approach for learning this science. Okay. In the market you will find the different colors of the wire is available. Okay. So you have to select which color will give the idea for flowing what current or what is the conventional. Say white, black, yellow, all colors are there. So what we shall use from here? Red and black. Alright. So using this red and black, we have made this connection. One red, another black. So this will be in series or parallel? Series. This will be in series and parallel. Alright. Now, in order to avoid repeatedly soldering of the wire, soldering you are understanding that? Yes. Permanent joining. Okay. So before permanent joining, what we shall do? We shall use what? Temporary connection. Easily you can what? Remove. Whenever you need, you can easily remove. Means what? Before having this permanent circuit, we must have certain trials. And for trial purpose now, we have what? This board. ये हमारा board है. Breadboard. Alright. What is this breadboard? Breadboard is what? Something like this. Structure is like this. There are different holes. Alright. Here is also holes. Different holes. So in the breadboard there are two parts. One is what? Horizontal. Another is vertical. Okay. So this horizontal will be what? Having the same potential. And vertical will be also having what? Same potential. This is the construction. This way, if you will use this breadboard now, so many different combination of resistors, you can learn very easily. That is why in the market, at a very low cost, it is available. So that you may try many times to learn the different type of connection. Alright. So if you want to connect this series or parallel, then what you will do? What we have done, you also try, okay, with the help of battery. One terminal we shall put plus, another terminal we shall put minus. So in all the holes minus 2. If you will supply at only one point, no need of doing so many connections. We shall give one positive at one hole. Automatically, this will pass to all the holes. Right? Similarly, negative if you are putting in one hole, all will be what having negative. Alright. So, what we shall do here? Here we shall do the connection positive and negative. Okay. And if you will connect this one like this, then what the all holes will be what positive or negative? All positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all positive. Similarly, here also all what? Negative. Okay. Then according to our choice, now here we require the designing part. Everybody has got different skill. There is no fixed rule. No fixed rule for what? Series or parallel connection. Only you have to use these holes, and then according to your convenience, you choose your holes, and accordingly you get the what? Desired result. It is up to you. That is the designing part. No fixed rule. Okay. Minimum wires you have to use. Minimum wires, minimum energy, minimum points, and so that you may get the what? Your result. That is the art over here. Because you know, suppose if I will give one concept, then I will ask you draw one poster. Then if everybody will draw now, honestly, then they will find different figure will come for the same title. Yes or no? In the here also you will find the same thing. One heading, but different style. Alright. And those heading will be best, which one will have what? Less wires, less loads, speakers, registers, etc. Alright. So here you see that we have already assembled. Okay. Then supply one negative, one positive. Here you see one negative. It is marked actually in the breadboard now. It is marked one negative, another is positive. So we have connected one negative and one positive like this. Supply. Now this board is active. All the holes is what? One positive, another negative. Anywhere you can put. This I have connected now in series. Alright. So series mein if you will want, we shall use this connection, then sound should come more or less. It should come less compared to what? Individual speaker. But in parallel we shall find what? More sound. That theoretically we have understood. So again, with the help of your thinking, you just check whether it is happening or not, right? So here you see I am connecting positive with positive and negative with negative. So this is what? Series output. You can also try with the help of LED also. It is up to you. Right now. Then if you will connect what in parallel, then what will happen? Let us see. Do it. This is black to black, ready to. All right. So one terminal should be where? It should be at one end, positive, all positive at one end, and all negative at another end. Yes or no? All right. If there is loose connection na, then it will not work. You see, if you will compare na previous hearing of sound and now, then you will find what? In parallel combination, more sound. Okay, then you will feel na you can learn this thing what na permanently. That is the artist value. Actually, by designing and creating, these two main verb comes under what? Art. Creating and designing. It is not in science uh, science book. Option is what? If you will have this creating and designing, then you can enjoy the thing, the scientific concept more nicely as compared to what? The theoretical. Alright. So based on this observation, now we shall discuss the questions. Okay. See what happened. And this is the instrument. This is the instrument in order to what? Test. Multimeter. This is multimeter. Sometimes what will happen? Your speaker will be what? It will not work. Non-working condition. So before what connecting, we shall test. Because in actual process now, if suppose we shall connect everything and the device is not working, then whole effort will be what? Wrong. So that also comes from your what? Designing process. Okay, so before final assembly, first we shall test it and then connect with the help of different colorful wires. These I have a special name. In the market, it is known as what? Jumper wires. Jumper male wires. Like this. In both ends, there is what? Pointer like this. Got it now? So this is the approach of what? Learning science through arts. Okay. Now we shall learn certain questions. So the most important thing, nowadays to learn the question, even we have to think differently. Alright. How differently? Let me ask certain question based on your series combination first. And you have to tell whether it is true or false. Alright. So in series connection, in series I equal to V1 by R1 equal to V2 by R2 equal to E by R1 plus R2. True or false? True. Or you can say it is true. Raise your hand. Yes.
Sir, because current is constant in series connection.
So individual resistance will get equal current. As a whole also equal current.
Yes.
So that is why this equation will explain all the what things related with what? Series combination. So can we write like this also? We cannot write. Yes?
Yes.
So more like yes, we know. Can we write?
Yes.
That means the resistance having more value will have more voltage. And that we can write with the help of what? This equation only. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. This is also alright. This is the point number 1. Next. And this also you can try. In series combination, the power consumption is what? Less as compared to what? Individual power. Just now we have verified through speakers. Yes or no? So this way also what we have idea related with what? Scientific concept. Art, science. Alright. Okay. Now in parallel, who will write in parallel what will which equation will control all parallel combination resistances properties? B equal to constant, right? Okay, B equal to constant means what? Means can I write like this? I is directly proportional to R. Yes? No, I cannot write. Ah. B equal to constant means what? Means I1 R1 must be equal to what? I2 R2. Right? This you can express in terms of what? Ratio. I1 R2 I2 R2. Yes or no? Then this I can write I inversely. You can see here inversely proportional. I can inversely proportional to what? R. More current will flow in that load having less resistance. Got it now? And in terms of power, we can write what? Parallel power must be equal to E1 plus. All these three, all mathematical expression we can realize with the help of this simple circuit. My design, on design. That is the creation. That is the art. Okay. Got it now? Idea? Okay. Thank you.